Hey guys, I'm currently at Shangri-La in Singapore and let me show you around my Tower Wing Deluxe room. As soon as you enter, on your left is a mirror and behind it is wardrobe number 1. You have an umbrella, an ironing board and iron. It's a little bit dark inside there. And next to it is your storage. You have storage up here, in the middle and all the way at the bottom. Next to that is a glass wardrobe, which looks really cool. It's also very spacious. Let me show you what else is inside. We have a safe and this is your bathrobes. Well, not to forget, there's also slippers at the bottom. Now let's check out the washroom. Hello, massive mirror. So we have a toilet there, a shower here, and they've also managed to include a bathtub right there, and the amenities can be found here. A really nice and spacious toilet. Before we head to the bed, we need to check out the dressing table here. So we have another mirror, there is a hairdryer inside here, and you can place your makeup or whatnot to get ready. Behind this is a massive TV, and you also have water, instant coffee machine, kettle, and the coffee pots, tea, milk and everything, not milk, tea and coffee can be found here. Just more storage at the bottom, and lastly, the minibar is in here. This is a lounge sofa kind of thing. It looks very comfortable, especially if you want to drink your coffee and relax while watching TV. And speaking of that, what is that? It is pineapple tarts. Really nice. Next to that, we have a study table, perfect for me to get my work done. You have a side table on each end. And lastly, look at that bed. It looks so comfortable. If I'm not mistaken, it is a king size bed. Now let's go check out our view. It's a very bright day in Singapore. So this is my view. It's not much, but you know, that's Singapore. Space is a premium here. So that's a quick look at my room here in Shangri-La. It's a really nice room and I cannot wait to take a nap on the bed. You know, it's Shangri-La, they have standards, but I'm just here for an overnight business trip. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys for the next one. Bye!